ain't hit the canvas, but baby, who you need me.
Hey guys, I know it's been a minute since I posted, but I am back, and I am back with a lot more videos, so make sure you stay tuned. But anyways, I did prime my face and I used a 24 karat gold infused beauty oil. I've been really loving this. I just love the way it feels on my skin. But I also applied foundation, and now I'm blending that out with my Fenty Beauty sponge. And I'm also going to be concealing with my Covergirl Concealer, and then I'm also going to be blending that out with the same Fenty Beauty sponge. And then I'm going to be moving on to baking, and I'm just applying some translucent powder under my eyes. So today I'm using a different bronzer. This one is by Buxom. It has more like a grayish undertone, but it's okay because I really like it and it's something different. This blush is perfect for spring and summer. It has that peachy and orange tone. And I'm also going to be highlighting, this highlighter is by Morphe and it's called Extra. I am so shocked with these highlighters. They're so pigmented and they're just so blinding. And I also got a new highlighter brush. This one is the Morphe R36, and I actually like it more than the M501 because the other one leaves me like streaky lines. I don't know, but I really like this one. For today's look, I'm going in with the Morphe 3502 palette. I know I heard you guys been wanting me to do looks with this palette, so here's the first look I'm doing. I'm applying the orange eyeshadow on the crease with the Morphe M441 brush. The next color I'm applying is this red, this deep red, kinda has like orange colors in it too, but I'm applying this on the crease and I'm just using the same brush to blend both colors together. I'm going in with this dark brown eyeshadow. It's more like a burgundy color. Well, it looks like a burgundy eyeshadow, but it's more like a dark brown. But I'm applying this with a tiny brush, and I'm pretty much just tracing where I'm gonna be cutting the crease. And I'm going in with the Morphe M433 to blend everything together. And then I'm going in with this color. Well, it's a black eyeshadow. I know I've been using a lot of colors, but trust me, this color is just going to make the look pop out a lot more. And I'm just applying it the same way I applied the other color. Now I'm cutting the crease, and I first do like a half cut crease and then I start dragging it outwards. It's easier for me than just doing it right away all together. I don't know, I think it's kind of hard, but that's the way I do it. I first do a half cut crease and then I just start dragging it outwards. The glitter I'll be using today is by Urban Decay and it's called Midnight Cowboy. The lashes I'll be using today are by Lily Lashes and these are called Mykonos. I'm also going to be applying this shimmery orange eyeshadow and this gold eyeshadow. I'm going to be mixing both colors together and I'm just going to be applying this on the inner corners of my eye. I'm just now applying some mascara and I'm also going to be applying some gloss. This one is by Colourpop and it's called Curvii. But once that's done, this look is all finished. I hope you guys loved it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you guys on my next video.